The Hazza project is a global initiative in which our foundation, the not-for-profit OCTO3 Foundation, is raising funds through a token sale to migrate a proven existing robust payment infrastructure technology to blockchain. Our vision is to revolutionize the entire payment ecosystem by creating a single, global, open, ubiquitous payment network, the Hazza.Network. In recent years, any innovation in the payment industry has been limited to point solutions or development of new payment methods coming online. But by and large, the entire payment ecosystem hasn't changed in decades. It's comprised of proprietary, siloed, fragmented payment networks that lack a common language to communicate between them. This results in a considerable amount of friction for payment transactions within the ecosystem. An inability for merchants and consumers to transact freely due to a lack of acceptance of the payment methods in which the consumer prefers to pay with. This also means higher fees for merchants. The migration of our existing payment platform to blockchain will take place in 3 phases. The first phase is opening up our APIs to the entire payment ecosystem. The API is a simple integration point for the participants to gain access to the network. The second phase is using smart contract technology to completely redefine the business engagement model between participants on the network. The third phase is moving our core transaction processing engine to blockchain and decentralizing it. A key principle of the Hazza initiative is to allow the community to determine the direction of the network. This network is built for the community and will be governed by the community. In this sense, we're using blockchain technology to enable a decentralized autonomous organization governance model in which token holders can actively participate and vote in the direction of the network. There are many players and participants within the payment ecosystem. Some the consumers and merchants are not even aware of. But if you distill down the ecosystem to its core value, it's really between the consumer and the merchant and the payment method in which they choose to transact. Imagine a world where the consumer can go to a merchant and pay with the method in which they prefer, not what they're forced to carry for a higher chance of acceptance of that payment method. In this world, the consumer experience will determine the success of the payment methods. This is the future of payments. Our project differentiates itself in the sense that we're not creating something from scratch. We're migrating a proven payments infrastructure technology to blockchain. And our project doesn't target just the crypto community. We're supported by the crypto community, but our project serves the rest of the members of the payment ecosystem. This includes the thousands of payment methods, the hundreds of millions of merchants, and the billions of consumers that use the payment network to carry out their transactions.